This lobster ravioli is so perfectly complemented with creamy, buttery, rich, cheesy garlic sauce and is wonderfully cut with the sharp acidity of a little lemon and dry white wine. It really isn't rocket science, but it'll make your family think you're a genius. Hi y'all, welcome to Cozymeal Studios where the vibes are immaculate and the food is delicious. My name is Yanni and today we're making a lobster ravioli sauce. Before we begin, please hit that like button, hit subscribe, and tap on that notification bell. Let's get into it. Bring a pot of salted water to a boil and cook the lobster ravioli until al dente. Melt the butter in a saucepan over medium heat. And cook the minced garlic until softened and fragrant, about 1 to 2 minutes. Make sure not to let it burn. Add the white wine, lemon zest, and freshly squeezed lemon juice. Whisk this all together and let it simmer for about 2 minutes. Pour in that heavy cream and season with salt and pepper. Let the sauce simmer a few minutes until slightly thickened. Whisk in the Parmesan cheese. Add the ravioli to the sauce and toss to coat. Garnish with some fresh herbs and a little extra Parmesan. Serve immediately and enjoy. For the full recipe, head to the description box below or go to cozymeal.com/recipes. There are so many incredible recipes from chefs on Cozymeal on there, so make sure not to miss that opportunity. Y'all, if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe. My name is Yanni, and thank you for watching Cozymeal Studios.